Hi, my name is Derwin, Solutions Architect here at REDCom Laboratories. Today I'd like to go over some of the new features for Secure Client for Windows version 5.2, mainly as it pertains to some of the enhancements on chat that we've done to the Secure Client. I've already taken the liberty of opening up my Secure Client here and logging into 3 accounts, 1 SIP account and 2 XMPP accounts. And if you are already looking at my screen, you'll notice that the client application doesn't look too different from previous versions. We can still move our panels around and whatnot as you see fit. But some of the new features that we'll see in here now is we have the ability to, for example, tile chat rooms. So I can open up one chat room that will effectively dominate that entire chat panel. But if I needed to speak someone individually or open up an individual chat, I can do that without having to close out that Room 9 conference. If I wanted a third user in there, I can do the same. I can go ahead and close one of these out. To go a bit further, if I needed to entirely change the arrangement of this, so you'll notice as I double click these, they just kind of line up next to each other. However, this view may not be the most acceptable view for all users. So one thing that you can do is you can change the positioning of the chat rooms to make the one that's in focus perhaps more dominant, for example, or if you want to just change the look and the theme altogether, you can do that. Going a bit further, you'll notice that I have this red message here within the chat bubble. What that message is an important flag. So the idea being that oftentimes you may have a couple of these chat windows open that may even look busier than what we have here. And maybe you want a particular message to stand out. So what I can do is type important and then click that exclamation point, and that's going to highlight it in red, both on my side and the distant end when they receive it, so they know that it's probably a higher priority message since it doesn't look the same as the others. With that being said, what you could also do is create your own keywords in chat rooms that look a little bit different. So if I was to go into my rooms panel here and then add a chat room, let's say call this chat room created by me, and I'll join and open it up. What I can now do is edit local or room key phrases. Local key phrases are if you're joining a chat room and there's specific keywords that you as a user want to keep an eye out for. You can set that, or you can create room key phrases if you're the owner of the chat room, which is what I'm about to do right now, and in this case I'll make it an easy key phrase. The purpose of this is just so it shows a little bit differently when it comes through the chat panel and hopefully get that user's attention. So test was my keyword. I will type in 2 words and you'll see test comes in a little bit different than the rest of the message, that red message. Another function that we have, if you're using the newest version of REDCom Sigma, is the ability to now connect to IRC channels via that Sigma gateway. Since we have now built an IRC gateway into Sigma, we have the ability to connect to IRC channels from your Secure Client for Windows now. So I can click my triple dots here, add a chat room, and in this case I know where they exist so I can list them. I'll double click on the IRC chat room that I want to use and then join it. From here, I can now chat to an IRC channel.